Hello class 9 children. So let us begin one more very important question from the chapter Pythagoras theorem. So here I have a question children. So my question is AD is drawn perpendicular to BC and base of a equilateral triangle ABC. So BC is the base of equilateral triangle ABC. So this is an equilateral triangle. Now equilateral triangle means when all the sides of a triangle is equal, it is equilateral triangle. Now children, you might be saying it is a Pythagoras theorem, equilateral triangle doesn't have 90 degree, so how it is applicable to this triangle? But here they are saying that AD is perpendicular drawn to BC. So on this BC from A perpendicular has been drawn. Now meaning of perpendicular is, so a straight line, when it falls to any line it makes 90 degree both the side. So because of this perpendicular, you can say it is perpendicular means at the base it makes 90 degree. So because of this 90 degree, now this single triangle has been divided into two triangles. So that's why now Pythagoras theorem is applicable, because of the word perpendicular. Had there been no perpendicular, then definitely Pythagoras theorem was not applicable for the question, but now it is applicable. And as ABC is an equilateral triangle and given BC, this BC is 10 centimeter. Now children, as when this perpendicular fell here, the 10 centimeter has become now 5 centimeter each, because, and one more thing, here I have to write AD because AD is the perpendicular. Now when the line comes from a vertex to the opposite base, then it works as a median, and median means it divides the line equally. So 10 centimeter has become 5 centimeter each. Now common sense children, no length of AB and AC given, but it is 10 centimeter. Common sense. Why? Because equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. So when base is 10, BC is 10, that means the other sides also are 10 centimeter. That means it's common sense. So everything is known now. Now find the length of AD. You have to find the length of AD. So I will begin my solution here. So to find AD, either you take this triangle or that triangle. Okay, let me take this triangle. So my triangle's name will be ABD. So take triangle. In triangle ABD. So in this triangle, you know this is hypotenuse. So you can write H. H means hypotenuse. It is AB and its value is 10 centimeter. Your BD will be base. So base is BD and it is 5 centimeter. You have to find perpendicular, which is AD. So your AD is question mark. So because you have to find AD, and AD's value may come in decimal. So they are requesting you to find the answer correct to one place of decimal. So that we will manage later. So now to find perpendicular, we have a formula. Perpendicular equal to h square minus base square. It is in the formula list. Formula number 2. Next, who is perpendicular? Perpendicular is AD. So AD is our question mark. So write AD and value of h is 10. So 10 square minus base is 5. So 5 square root over. Now we will start finding the value of AD. 10 square is 100. 25 is 5 square is 25 root over. So we have now 75 root over. Normally 75 root over we don't have any value, but there are some ways you can, as because the answer is divided in the one place decimal. So what you do, 75 you factorize like this in the rough. So then with the help of 3 and 5 you can do. You can use 3 as well as 5. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 16, 3 5s are 15. So 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are. This is our factorization. So what you do children here, I'll make a line and remaining portion I will do here equal to root 75 you write this way. 3 into 5 root over. Now you all know in the root over, if there is any pair number, one number will come out and one number will vanish. So out of this 2 5, 1 5 will come out and 1 5 will vanish with the root over. But this 3 has no partner, so it will be locked inside the root only. So my result is 5 root 3. Now answer is demanded in decimal. So root 3 value, you should know it is a universal value. Root 3 value is 1.732 because root 3 value is very common in trigonometry. So please remember it, that root 3 value is 1.732. Now decimal has come, so we will get our answer. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16, 6 in hand 1. Next 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 1, 36. And then in hand we have 3, 5 1s are 5 plus 3 is 8. Just you see here, after 3 numbers there is decimal. So after 3 numbers you put decimal. So you got 8.66 because this 0 has no value at the last after decimal. But the demand is correct to one place of decimal, but this has become 2 place of decimal. So my final result will be 8.7 because if there is a 6 nearest to 6, that means more than 5 means this 6 will exceed to one number. 6 will become 7 when the nearest number to it is more than 5, because 6 is more than 5, that's why the 6 will exceed to 7. But had it been 1, 2, 3 or 4, the 6 would be 6 only. So this is our answer. So value of AD I started here and my answer is 8.7 centimeter. So children, let us discuss one more question from the chapter. So okay, I have a question here. ABC is a right angle triangle. So I have drawn a diagram here. You can see ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means 90 degree. You see I have made it here. And where angle ABC is 90 means angle ABC means B at the middle. There you have to make 90 degree. You can see I have made 90 degree also. AC is 25 centimeter. Okay, AC is hypotenuse, but its value is 25 centimeter, and AB is 24 centimeter. AB is your perpendicular and it is 24 centimeter. Calculate the area of triangle ABC. You have to find the area. So this time we are going to use area formula, that is half into base into perpendicular. So that formula will be used here. So let's start our solution, children, here. So my solution, all the given things you know. If you want to write, okay, no issue, you can write. So in the triangle, your hypotenuse H, your hypotenuse is AC and AC value is 25 centimeter. Next, perpendicular is named as AB and its value is 24 centimeter. But you have to find area. Area is question mark. But you know the area formula is half into base into height. Base into perpendicular. Perpendicular and height is same. But there is no base. You can see no base. So your first duty before finding area is to find base. So start finding base. So you write base equal to, who is your base? Base is BC. So base formula is H square minus P square. Your hypotenuse is here 25 square minus, and your perpendicular is 24. So write 24 square root over root square of 25 is 625 minus, and square of 24 is 576. So this square you have to know, if you know very well, otherwise you can do in the rough. So 576. Now if you subtract 15 minus 6 is 9. Now here it has become 11. 11 minus 7. Your 11 minus 7 is 4. And 6. Now this has become 5 minus 5 is 0. So 49. So your base is 7 centimeter. Now you can find area, children, because area of triangle area of triangle is half into base into perpendicular. Put the respective value. So half into base is, your base is 7 centimeter and perpendicular also is given here, it is 24 centimeter. Put the respective values and it will be 12 here, and 12 into 7 will be 7 2s are 14, 4 in hand, 1 7 1 is 7 plus 1 is 84. So 84 square centimeter, or we can write centimeter square because our unit is centimeter in the question. So very technical question but very easy. I hope children you understood. Thank you children.